In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header or a footer to your Word document effortlessly. Whether you're preparing a report, crafting an essay, or designing a flyer, knowing how to use headers and footers can enhance your document's professionalism and structure. So let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you understand each detail along the way. First, let's begin by opening your Word document. It's important to have your document ready so that you can see how the headers or footers look as you apply them. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find various menu tabs. Click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find numerous options that allow you to add elements like pictures, tables, and, most importantly, for us today, headers and footers. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll see options for both header and footer. Deciding whether you want content at the top or bottom of your page will determine which option you'll select. If you want to add a header, simply click on Header. Conversely, if you're aiming for the bottom part of your document, click on Footer. This step creates a space in your document where you can type in text, insert images, or even add a page number. After clicking Header or Footer, you'll notice Word offers a range of preset designs. These include built-in designs that can quickly give your pages a polished look. If simplicity is your style, you might also see blank options that offer a clean, unadorned space for your custom content. Furthermore, you have the freedom to align your text differently. You can choose left, center, or right alignment based on the design or layout of your document. Once you've made your selections and added your content to the header or footer area, you might wonder how to return to editing the rest of your document. To exit the header or footer and resume normal document editing, you have a couple of options. You can click Close Header and Footer, which you can find at the top right corner of your screen. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, simply double-click anywhere in the main body of your document. This action will close the header or footer editing mode and take you back to the regular document editing view. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to incorporate headers and footers into your Word document. Experiment with different designs and alignments to see what kind of professional touch you can add to your work. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!